Welcome to our comprehensive guide on ELN software. An electronic lab notebook, or ELN, is a digital tool that replaces traditional paper lab notebooks. This software allows scientists and researchers to record, manage, and share their lab data efficiently and securely. Modern ELN platforms offer features like cloud-based access, data integration with other laboratory instruments, and compliance with regulatory standards, making them indispensable for today's labs. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing the right ELN software for your lab. When choosing ELN software, it is essential to focus on features that align with your lab's specific needs. Look for options that offer robust data management, easy integration with existing lab equipment, and customizable templates for various experiments. Additionally, ensure the ELN software you choose provides secure data storage, advanced search functionalities, and real-time collaboration tools to enhance lab productivity. Choosing the right ELN software offers numerous benefits that can transform how your lab operates. Digitized lab notes reduce the risk of data loss, enhance accuracy, and simplify data retrieval and analysis. It also improves collaboration among team members, allowing for real-time updates and shared access to experiment records. Overall, ELN software streamlines lab workflows, leading to increased productivity and better research outcomes. Selecting the right ELN software involves understanding your lab's unique requirements. Consider the software's ease of use, no or low-code flexibility, and scalability. Choosing an ELN that integrates with your existing systems and adapts to your lab's evolving needs is equally important. Additionally, evaluate the ELN vendor's reputation, customer support services, and the total cost of ownership, including implementation and training. It is important to remember that not all ELN software is created equal. Some platforms offer more specialized features, such as advanced data analytics or specific tools best suited for certain types of research. It's crucial to compare different ELN software options based on functionality, ease of use, and quality of customer support. Choose the solution that best meets your lab's needs, while ensuring it offers a good balance of features and usability. To ensure you select the best ELN software, involve your lab team in the decision-making process, conduct thorough demos, and ask for references and reviews from current users. Look for a solution that meets your immediate needs and offers the flexibility to adapt to future requirements in laboratory management and research.